Hello! Welcome back to Sapoe showroom.
Yes, this is Livy.
This is Chandler.
Yes, and welcome to Sapoe showroom. And
Yes.
for now, we are going to introduce our top sales bean to cup coffee machine to you.
Yes, the model is Brewi. Yeah.
And that's what we call it, the barista.
Nearby. Okay.
Okay, and just for the first introduction, we would like to introduce machine for the outer appearance.
Okay.
Okay, as Chandler, do you know that this machine is designed by the UK designer?
Yes, absolutely.
As you can see, I will change it.
Yeah.
It will have a better look for the outer appearance.
Yes.
You see.
You know, also with this certain angle, it's
Yeah.
easy for you to chat and operate it, right?
Yes, because for different people, even though on this angle, it will be better for operating, right?
Yes.
Okay. As we can see here is with big tempered glasses here.
Yeah, you know, actually this big tempered glass is very strong, right?
Yes, it's very strong and endurable.
Yes. And this,
Never.
yeah.
And as we can see here is a window, small window for the bean hooper. Yeah, so that you can see how much the bean left inside of the bean hooper, right?
Yes, you can check it very easily just through this small window, okay?
And it is also an indication way to let your customer or users know this machine is a bean to cup one, just not for the soluble instant powder, right?
Yes.
Okay, and as we can see here, it's with 10.1 inch touch screen right here.
Yes.
And if you can see it clearly, here it's with 9 kind of
11 yeah.
9 kinds of you know, the drinks and 1 additional hot water right here, right?
Yes.
And as for this part, we will introduce this part later on. We will change to another camera as it's very far distant. Okay, and we will move forward.
Yes.
Hi Chandler, as you can see here is the lighting.
Yes, that's the indicating light. Also, it can decorate, you know.
Yes, as we can see, it light is a little bit purple blue right here, right?
Actually, what I saw is blue only. Okay.
Okay. Okay, and yeah, and then as for here is our drink dispenser, drink outlet
Yes.
position right here, and here is with a small hot water outlet.
Yeah, for hot water outlet.
If you can see clearly, as you can see here, it's also a plastic cup holder. Are there any specialty for the cup holder, Chandler?
You see, actually, this cup holder is made of food grade material, right?
Yeah,
and
food grade one.
Yes, and also it can lift and put down very easily because it got this magnetic how to say, magnetic kits, yeah, to lift it and put it down.
Yes, and it's very easy to lift it or put it down and without any noises, you know.
Yes.
Okay, and then we move upper one, and as we can see the drip tray right here.
Yes.
Could you please show our audience?
Okay, let me take it out. Yes, as you can see right now, this drip tray is actually it's used one piece injection mold to make this drip tray. And
yeah, that would be much stronger, right?
Yes, and you know, actually the capacity of this drip tray is 1.5 liter.
1.5 liter.
Yeah, and also you can see this this cover, it can be removed. It's made of stainless steel material, right? And there's also a mark here for you to dispense to put the cup for the hot drinks. And this is the mark for you to put the cups for the hot water.
Yes. And besides, as we can see here, it's with two small metal plates here.
Yeah.
And this is for the connection. You can see when we remove the drip tray here, here the demonstrate that the T53 to inform you to put the drip tray back.
Yes.
Yeah. And it also it's with a small hole. We rust away the hole is just for, you know,
to drain the wastewater.
Yeah, can you see it? Yeah, in this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Okay. In here. Right.
Yes. Okay. And so, if you don't need it, we just keep it here. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. As you can see, when we put the drip tray back, and the machine will back to normal.
Yeah, it's as it connect with the two plate. Okay.
Yes.
So it's warming up right now, and then we will go to a movie for introduction of this Brewi bean-to-cup coffee machine. Then when we comes back, we will switch to a closer view camera to introduce our, you know, the instant, the touch screen for the inner side setting, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Introducing the new Brewi Eligo beverage solution. With its curved features, touchscreen interface, and compact design, its elegant look will enhance any establishment. But it's what's inside that sets the Eligo apart from other beverage machines. Designed from the ground up to be easily accessed for servicing and maintenance, the Eligo brings together innovative features with premium components from some of Europe's most respected manufacturers, resulting in flexible and reliable machine operation that is easy to monitor and support. Featuring high-quality Italian pressure boiler and valve system, Swiss variable brewer and grinder, a configurable modular platform that supports many beverage options, the Eligo delivers in quality of vended product and operational reliability. End-user operation of the Eligo is provided in either static, capacitive or fully dynamic touchscreen operation, with the opportunity to present media advertising during beverage dispensing. For service operation, the Eligo incorporates sophisticated control and monitoring features for remote worry-free operation, including remote interface change, remote recipe adjustment, and full telemetry of machine operation, monitored from anywhere in the world. Discover the Brewi Eligo today. Ask for a demonstration or download our brochure. The Brewi Eligo. All round a superior beverage solution.
Okay, welcome back. Right now we already switched to the closer camera. Maybe I need to adjust the camera first.
Yes, how? Yes, you can see here is a mirror light, the temper glass. It's very easy for you to see us.
Yes, wait for a moment.
And for this screen now, it's not.
Sorry.
It's just under before preparation that at this time maybe you can insert your own advertisement when it's not being used, you know.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. When the nobody to operate this machine and is in a status that not active, right?
Yes, exactly.
Yes. Please
okay,
keep
as
going.
we can see from the, you know, the touch screen, it shows for 10 kinds of drinks, 10 kind of options. And you can see here with espresso, double espresso,
yes.
Americano, cafe au lait, cappuccino, latte macchiato.
Yes. Cafe mocha.
Yeah.
And hot chocolate, chocolate cream, and also one hot water.
Yes, it is. You see.
Yes.
When it's standby mode, you can just change it for your own advertisement. Maybe it is for the, you know, image, or maybe for your videos. Okay. And then, as we can see from the left side, the left side,
the left corner, right?
The left corner.
Okay.
Okay, the left and upper corner here with the flag side here. So we just tag it.
Yes. And then you can see 11 different national flag here. That means this machine supports 11 kind of different language, right?
Yeah, for the menu.
Yes, for the menu.
So they are
English and French, Espanol, Dutch, Deutsch, that's Swedish, and Norwegian, Finnish, and this is
Denmark.
Danish. Yeah, and this is Italian and also Chinese. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Total 11 kind of language. So it can be widely used in a lot of countries, right? Okay, and we switch back as in the middle of the middle bottom side.
Yes.
As we can see here with 4
options for the cup volume, right?
Yes, for the cup volume. Okay, as we can see here, as for 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounce for your ounce.
Yes.
For the cup volume. And as we can see here, for all the drinks are with the blue line as background color, right?
Yes.
And here is with a normal and decay parts circle right here. For normal condition, that means?
For normal condition, that means you can make the drinks which is coffee based to directly use coffee bean to make the drinks.
Yes, exactly. And we switch it to the decay mode.
Yes.
You can see all the background of for most of the
these 7 kind.
Okay, this 7 kind of drinks, the background color will turn back to the brown one.
Yes, and actually this 7 kind is just like I mentioned, it's coffee based.
Okay.
Yeah. If people, if somebody don't want to have a coffee but don't want to have caffeine, right? So he can choose this decay function. Decay function,
Yeah.
and then you can choose like espresso with caffeine.
Yes.
For this 3 is because not related to the coffee bean, so it's still blue background.
Yes. And okay, this is the introduction for the first side, the menu page you can see.
The operating interface,
Yes. And then we will move to the inner side for the setting interface.
Okay.
So we need to enter the
setting mode first, right? Okay.
Wait for a moment. Setting mode, the setting interface with a password.
Yes.
So I will cover the camera for a while.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
As you can see, for the front page, for the setting.
Yeah, the first one is VMC settings.
Yes.
And the second one is HM status.
Yes.
And the third one is the update part, which is software and UI update, right?
Yes.
And the next part is about networking.
Yeah.
And also the coming part is the log file. And this part is about our product, right?
Yeah. And also for the system, right?
Yeah, system setting and some other setting.
Yes.
Okay.
We will move to the upper one.
Yes, the first one.
And start with the VMC setting first.
Okay. Yes, the first is the status of the VMC. So you can check the VMC firmware version here, and VMC state, VMC error code, and plugin version, plugin state, and also plug event code, the product ready time, which is count by second, right? And also you can see the clean cycle. The unit is hour, the number is 25. That means
the cleaning cycle time, the last time it is 25 hours before.
Yes.
And it's also for, as you can see, for the purified circle. That means we carry on the purification, purify process 169 hours before.
Yes.
As you can see here, show with the LED color, and it is for dark blue right now.
Yeah, which we just show you previous time, right?
Yes, and you can switch the color you want. Maybe we can switch to the red one.
Okay.
And we press OK.
And you can still adjust the light.
Yeah.
From light to dark here.
You can see.
Yes.
Here is the light to demonstrate. Finally, for this part.
Yes.
Okay, we will choose the red one and press OK.
Okay.
And save.
Yes. And then we can switch back to the normal camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you can see right now, the lights already changed to
red color. Okay, so we move on to switch back to the camera, which in front of the machine.
Yes.
As you can see, the economic mode here.
It's off, right? And when this option is off, it means the boiler will keep heating, keep working. And when this economic mode on, it will help you to save energy by, the boiler will stop heating when the machine not operate more than like 10 or 15 or 30 minutes.
Yes, I see. And here is with the pressure boiler.
Yeah, two boiler there, right? A pressure boiler and a gravity boiler.
Gravity boiler, yes.
This is for us to adjust the temperature for these two boiler. Actually, the pressure boiler is for heating, and the gravity boiler is for water storage.
Yeah.
Okay. After you adjust the number, you can save here.
Save here.
Yes.
Okay, we just move to the cleaning cycle.
Yes. Yeah, as you can see, if you need to clean this machine, I mean only the pipe, right? You can enter into this interface and you can press start.
Press start to carry on the cleaning function for all the missing bowl, including the pipes, right?
Yes, it's very easy. You just need to follow the instruction. Yes.
Of the machine. It is same operation as purification part. Just start the button and follow the instruction.
Yes. And the cleaning cycle is for the pipe and the mixer.
Yeah. And the purification especially for the brewer, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Then it goes to the water
waste bin count. Yeah.
As you can see here, you can set your waste bin maximum you can accept by typing it, or you can reset it.
Yes, actually right now, the right now number is 120 cups. Yeah, that's
we have already made for the coffee drinks. Okay, and we will move to the receipt editor.
Okay. I think this is the key part of this machine, right?
Yes, because I guess everybody have its own recipe for different kind of coffee drinks according different beans or the taste, deep or light roast.
Yes.
As you can see here, we have many options, right?
Like Americano, espresso, cafe au lait, right?
Yes.
Yeah, a lot of options, and also different kind of cup volume.
Yeah, different kind of cup volume, and we just choose one for as example, and we press it for the espresso parts.
Okay.
Yeah, as you can see, the first one is for the grams. That means
the coffee bean.
How many grams of the coffee beans you want to grind for this drink, for this Americano, right?
Yes.
And then we will move to the dry tamping time, damping, wet tamping time, pre-infusion, all the specification here.
Yes.
You can adjust it
by this control this strip
or
directly input the number, right?
Yeah, input the number.
Yes.
It's very easy to control and set. You can also, after you set it, you can test it, right?
Yes, and test it and until you find the perfect recipe for you.
Yes, you can either cancel it or save it.
Yes.
For a longer use. Okay, we just cancel. Besides, we can also decide the frequency. Sequence. Yeah. You can also decide the sequence for this string dispense the,
somebody would like to have, let's take Americano for example. Somebody would like to dispense coffee first, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, some other people would like to dispense the water first. For me, I would like to water first, espresso coming next. Yes.
Okay. You see, we can adjust it.
You can switch them.
Yeah.
Very
according
easily.
To your requirements.
Yes.
And this is for the part of the receipt editor. So we will move to the adjustment editor.
Okay.
The adjustment editor is made for?
It's made for the milk powder and also chocolate powder and espresso powder. That is the coffee powder. Yeah, you can set it. Yeah, like each gram to set a fixed quantity here.
Yeah, just set a fixed quantity here. Okay, and then for the calibration.
Actually, calibration also very important for this machine. Because the different kind of bean, it will make the coffee better. I mean, the taste would be better if you calibrate this machine very accurate, and then the coffee will be taste very, very good, right?
That's why we call it barista.
Yes.
And okay, then we will move to the firmware update.
Okay. Yeah, if you need to update, because right now we for this machine no need to update. We just show you, and you can load the firmware file.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And for the economic mode, as we mentioned before.
Yes, you can choose to switch on this mode, and then will save you energy because the boiler is not working when it's non-activate.
Yeah. Okay, and to the payment setting.
Yes.
As you can see here, we can set the payment setting on or off, and we can use WeChat Pay or Alipay for this machine.
Yes.
And for now, it is for physical payment.
Yeah.
But yeah.
You it can have coin change or careless the mode, but maybe need another device next to the machine. Yeah.
Yes. So we will finish the
this VMC setting part,
and we will exit.
Okay.
Then we will go to the HMI status.
Yes, this is for you to check the status of the machine, different part of the machine, like the system panel. Yeah, this is the temperature, right?
Okay, and then we will move to the software and UI update.
Yes, this is also can be updated, and this is the current information for your reference, and you can choose what time to update and use USB to update.
Yes.
But right now, because we did not install the USB device, the flash, so we just show you how to do that.
Yeah. Okay, then we move to the cloud and networking.
Yes, actually, this is the connect to the cloud, and this one, the mobile network, is it means that we have the 3G or 4G. If we have the if we install the 3G or 4G modular in this machine, we can connect to the mobile network. Because we can install this.
Okay, and as we move to the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, Wi-Fi is the a network next
The machine can connect to the Wi-Fi, and then we can get the data from the Wi-Fi, right?
Yes,
and including the sales data and the
you can through no matter
location.
Yeah, the location. You can through no matter Wi-Fi or 3G network. It's also can connect to the internet.
Yes.
You can check the data in the back-end management system.
Yes.
And also can connect to the Ethernet.
Yeah, Ethernet. And then we move to the log
part.
For the drink counter,
yes,
you can see the data for how many kind of drinks and which kind of drinks sell most.
Yeah.
And then you will know what's the favorite drinks for your market and regions, right?
Yes.
And also the system log.
The system log is a file that for the engineer to check the machine's problem or the status.
Yes. And the product UI, and here is the product price as we mentioned before.
Yeah.
If we can use the WeChat or Alipay, you can set the price accordingly. And the product album, that means you can insert, upload your image or your albums.
Yes.
And enable and disable products.
That means if you don't want to sell that kind of product, right? And you can disable them.
Yes.
And it will still show on the operate interface, but you cannot dispense.
Interface.
Yeah, the menu.
And as we can see here is with the UI template schedule, you can arrange different UI version for your different schedule. Okay, and then we will move to the system part. The system part including day and time setting.
Yeah, basic setting.
And yes, and the languages.
Yeah, the languages are including two kinds of languages for
Chinese
for setting.
Yeah, Chinese and English.
Yes.
And for this machine configuration.
Yes, for machine configuration, it got the series number and also let you to choose if you follow the machine the factory setting or not.
Yes. Okay. For the other parts, here is a function for disable touch for cleaning.
Yes.
That means sometimes we will have some fingerprints on the tempered glasses. It's not that easy to clean it. So we will have this button to, when you need to clean the surface, just press it on.
Yes.
Okay.
And for this two part, it's for advanced setting for the for the engineer. So we can let it. Yeah.
Okay. Then we will exit the maintenance page.
Okay.
Then we will continue and introduce our inner part of this machine.
Okay.
Hi, Chandler. Could you please help to open the machine for us?
Okay, I'm doing it. Yes, let me adjust the camera first. Okay. Yeah, can you see that clearly? Okay.
As we open the top lid.
Yeah, let's open the top lid first. As you can see, there's a LED light here.
Yeah, LED lighting for.
The LED light here is for you to for people to know how many beans left there
in the hopper, in the bean hopper.
Yes.
So that we can know much more about the situation of the beans.
Yes.
And here is a plastic plate.
Actually, this plastic plate, it's for us to remove this 1.7 kilogram capacity bean hopper.
Yeah.
When you need to take it out, right? And you can use this plastic, right?
Yeah.
As you can see, this plastic.
Yeah.
Just directly insert like this and take the bean hopper out. See? Just like this. Yeah. And then when we need to put it back,
so the bean will not fall down anywhere.
Yes, absolutely.
And it's easy for you to fill the coffee beans.
just take it out and put it back in this side. Okay.
Okay. Then we will see the glider under the bean hopper.
Yes. You know, actually, this grinder is from Swiss Ditting.
Wow, it's for Ditting brand glider, which is ceramic made, right?
Yes, ceramic made. It's a very famous grinder brand.
Yes, it
all
is.
over the world.
Yes, and then we move to the brewer.
Actually, this brewer also imported from European country, which is Germany.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And its brand is?
Its brand is Spano.
Spano. Okay. As you can see, the drinks will dispense the coffee drinks right here, right?
Yes, through this pipe.
The bean powder will put inside of this brewer, and then it will show and temp, right?
Yes.
And here is for the...
This is the waste bin we just mentioned
bin.
before.
Yeah, the waste bin capacity is
5 liter.
Yeah, 5 liter.
Yeah, actually, if changed to coffee cups, let's say the espresso, right? It will be 200 cups.
Yeah, 200 cups.
Yes, but what we suggest, you can set the reminder of 150 cups. Okay.
150 cups.
Yes.
Okay. As we can see on the right side here is with 3 canister.
Yes.
That's including the milk powder, chocolate powder, and the decay powder.
Yes. Actually, each canister capacity is 800 grams. And let me take one out. Okay.
Yeah, please.
And you know, actually, all this canister is made of the alcohol-friendly and food grade material. Yes, as you can see. I'm not sure if you guys can see that clearly. This is a food grade mud here.
Yes.
Yes, and also it got the NSF certificate here. You see?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, this will be more healthy and safety, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it back.
So it can meet all the the certificates from for European country use.
Yes.
Yes, and then we move to the mixing system right here.
Yeah, actually, all these parts also made of food grade material, alcohol friendly material, and it got a very fast mixing motor, which is
with 10,300 RPM per minute, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in that case, the mixer can make a better creaming foam on top of the coffee drinks, especially for the latte or cappuccino.
Yes.
As we can see here, the milk and chocolate powder with one mixer, and the decay one will be separated.
Yes.
And here is also one separate pipe for the hot water.
Yes.
Okay, this all for the inner part for the bean-to-cup coffee machine.
Okay.
And then we will switch back to the showroom camera.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome back to our showroom camera. As you can see, for such kind of gray machine, normally, what kind of association can be used for this kind of machine?
Actually, what we suggest, you can apply this machine on like hotels. Also airports. And office.
Office, especially for the big office or medium office, because it can continuously offer you see, as you can see, 200 cups.
Yes.
For your needs, you see when it is especially for the morning time, a coffee will wake
you up, right?
And boost your employees' efficient, right?
Yes.